Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated makeup organizers. As if dealing with messy makeup bags isn't difficult enough, the contents of those bags end up thrown carelessly around our vanity tables. So here's some advice. Sort out your current makeup collection to avoid making wasteful purchases in the future and get rid of everything you won't use again. After you've pared down your collection, it's time for the fun part. Organizing with the help of a makeup organizer. Makeup organizers are available in a variety of sizes and styles. There are some that function as little vanities and others that have drawers of various sizes to hold everything from eyeshadow, palettes to lipsticks. Some are made of acrylic, while others rotate and can be simply packed and carried. To help you choose one that'll suit your needs, we have compiled a list of the 7 top-rated makeup organizers available in the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the makeup organizers that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first makeup organizer in our list is the DreamGenius Makeup Organizer. The DreamGenius Makeup Organizer 4 pieces can store a lot of cosmetics and makeup tools to save space on the dressing table. It's large, sturdy, and can be used in the bathroom, bedroom desk, and dressing table, among other places. For its size, it measures 17.48 by 10.47 by 7.24 inches and weighs 7.26 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DreamGenius Makeup Organizer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Premium acrylic materials. This cosmetic organizer is more waterproof than typical boxes thanks to the use of premium acrylic materials. 12 lipstick compartments and 4 different storage compartments. It contains 12 lipstick compartments and 4 different storage compartments of various sizes that can hold tall cosmetic bottles, lipsticks, brushes, and other items. Exquisite transparent handle design. It's easier to pull and take goods with the exquisite transparent handle design. Interlocking and stackable design. It has an interlocking and stackable design that fits into other drawers, allowing you to create your makeup organizer at home. Built-in detachable black flannel. A detachable black flannel is incorporated into the drawer and can be set in one spot while protecting jewels, cosmetics, and other items from damage. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't fit larger eyeshadow palettes. The second makeup organizer in our list is the Sorbus Makeup Organizer. Find beauty and organization with the Sorbus acrylic cosmetic makeup and jewelry storage case. It's pretty and pink and features acrylic construction to store your makeup and jewelry with an effortless view. As for the size, it measures 9.25 by 6.25 by 14.25 inches and weighs 4.76 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Sorbus Makeup Organizer a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. 3 compartments. The bottom section features 3 compartments that are great for big cosmetics, toiletries, and grooming items. 16 slots. The top section of this organizer has 16 slots to keep goods like brushes, lipsticks, eye pencils, and perfume bottles safe, upright, and in place. Clear style. The clear style creates a visually appealing display that coordinates beautifully with most decor. Easy grip handles. It has drawers that slide open smoothly with easy grip handles. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the 2 smaller top drawers cannot fit any makeup brushes. The third makeup organizer in our list is the Masirs Makeup Organizer. This organizer can store your entire makeup routine in one place and enable easy access to all your cosmetics, skincare products, and accessories. It measures 12.05 by 9.37 by 1.93 inches and weighs 1.92 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Masirs Makeup Organizer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Easy to assemble and clean. This cosmetic organizer is specifically intended to be easy to assemble and disassemble, as well as to wipe clean when necessary, so everything looks fresh and clean. 360-degree rotatable base. It includes a 360-degree rotatable base so you can quickly find anything you need. Adjustable height. The height of the trays can be adjusted to accommodate your products. Large capacity. It has plenty of space for lipsticks, foundations, powders, nail polish, lotions, eyeliners, makeup brushes, perfumes, and more. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it doesn't have a lot of shelves. The fourth makeup organizer in our list is the Ikee Design Makeup Organizer. This clear acrylic drawer organizer is perfect for storing cosmetics, jewelry, and accessories when not in use. It has 4 drawers in multiple sizes to store various items and keep them dust-free. For its size, it measures 9.38 by 5.38 by 7.25 inches and weighs 3.1 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Ikee Design Makeup Organizer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Groove surface. The top and bottom organizers stack easily since the bottom drawer box has a groove on the surface. Removable black mesh pads. Every drawer includes removable black mesh pads to hold your stuff in place while pulling out or sliding in. Multiple compartments. The top organizer includes multiple compartments, making it ideal for collector storage. Acrylic handle. Each drawer features an acrylic handle that makes it easy to take out and slide in the drawer. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there is no interlocking function with this organizer. The 5th makeup organizer in our list is the AMEITECH Makeup Organizer. The AMEITECH Makeup Organizer can perfectly organize and store your cosmetics and accessories. It's specially designed to easily access all of your makeup products. As for the size, it measures 9.84 by 9.84 by 14.17 inches and weighs 3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the AMEITECH Makeup Organizer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Acrylic material. It's made of acrylic material, so it won't change shape and color after being washed. Multi-purpose storage system. This rotating cosmetic organizer features a multi-purpose storage system that can be used in the bathroom, bedroom, or throughout the house. Top plate. The top plate makes it easy to keep track of your lipsticks, nail paint, and beauty brushes. Adjustable trays. It contains adjustable trays to help you arrange all of your cosmetics even better. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the compartments on top are not deep enough for makeup brushes. The 6th makeup organizer in our list is the Sanipoe Eloki Makeup Organizer. This organizer will keep things tidy and in order, as well as put you in a good mood. It fits effortlessly into any size of cosmetics, allowing you to access cosmetics quickly and simplifying your everyday routine. For its size, it measures 9.1 by 9.1 by 12.2 inches and weighs 3.04 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Sanipoe Eloki Makeup Organizer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. 360 degrees rotating base. With its steady 360 degrees rotating base, you can instantly get access to your cosmetics by rotating the organizer. Large capacity. It can hold at least 30 makeup brushes, 20 skincare products, and other accessories including lipsticks, nail polish, and eyeliners. Easy to assemble. This organizer is easy to install and dismantle, so you may modify the height to your preference. Easy to clean. It's easy to clean and won't lose its form or color after being washed. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the rings are quite hard to take off. The 7th makeup organizer in our list is the STORI Makeup Organizer. This individual organizer can fit side by side to sort everyday needs in your drawers and has a variety of applications and configurations. Each container stacks effortlessly for numerous storage layers, which is ideal for deep drawers. As for the size, it measures 11.7 by 9.6 by 5.4 inches and weighs 2.49 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the STORI Makeup Organizer a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Clear, break-resistant plastic. It's made of clear, break-resistant plastic that fits in any decor. Easy to clean. You can clean it easily with mild soap and warm water. Multiple sets and sizes. You can customize your drawer with multiple sets and sizes. Large compartment. It has a large compartment which is the perfect size not only for makeup brushes but also for spatulas, mixing spoons, and whisks. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't have medium narrow containers. Instead, it only has long narrow containers. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated makeup organizers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next makeup organizer roundup, which you would like our team to test, to drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please to give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We'll look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.